Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of white screen on the application of Indeed job search. We click on settings here on this page. We click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page, you will search about the application of Indeed job search. Then we click on first stop and you click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then here we click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you restart your phone again, so please don't forget to